initially told that we could not go on placement, I was really worried that we would miss out on vital learning and experience and not have the opportunity to apply our knowledge from the past year of lectures.
I didn't feel like I had the opportunity to develop even more, and I feel like placement is a stepping stone for becoming an OT.
We were going to lose out on an experience that was going to negatively affect us, even towards us being qualified occupational therapists.
Placement is just such a critical aspect of any healthcare course, really. It's working directly with people is what makes you want to be an occupational therapist in the first place. So placement is just key to that whole experience.
The 5-week placement replacement module consisted of moving and handling quizzes and other equipment information, portfolio development, a reflective diary, analysing and writing up case studies, a 2-week simulation practice, as well as writing up SOAP notes.
I was so relieved and grateful that the lecturers had managed to pull together this programme for us in such a short time frame, and I was just really pleased that we were getting the opportunity to do some practical work, and the programme looked really exciting actually and really innovative.
I felt the scenarios the actors were portraying felt so real, and it also let us use our professional curiosity and the therapeutic skills to dig deeper into the patient's backstory and their occupational needs.
The highlight for me was definitely doing the simulated interview with the patient actor. It was really a chance just to hone some of my communication skills and to practice using technology in that way, and also just to get a feel for actually working directly with patients as an occupational therapist. I loved it.
So some additional knowledge that I feel I've gained from the module is how to write up SOAP notes effectively and what they actually consist of, and also how to overcome any problems that you may face when actually discussing with a patient. I've definitely grown in confidence, and I've been able to build on my professional development so that I can use it in my placement too.
But we were all so impressed with how we were challenged in such a small period of time that everyone had to adapt to working online so quickly. It was also more than I expected and really kept me on track for my OT development and kept me involved in occupational therapy during a difficult time.
I really enjoyed the placement replacement module as I was able to learn and develop my knowledge on different key aspects of OT, even virtually. I look forward to year 2 and future practice.
Feel like we've learnt a lot, a great deal, probably more than we would have done in some ways than being on a more standard placement. So yes, I'm really excited now, and I think if anything I'm even more enthusiastic now about continuing my journey to becoming an OT.